So now the first method is the len method. So which is the abbreviation of the length. So by using len method, we can find the length of dictionary or get the number of key value pair from a particular dictionary. As you see the example here, a dictionary is created. Between these two curly braces, 3 key value pair are placed. In second line, inside the print method constructor, for first len method find the value, and this value works as the parameter for the print function. So let's go into the Python shell for the better understanding. Now here, first create a dictionary, type these two curly braces, and inside them enter the key value pair. The first key is 1 colon, value is CD, comma, second key is 2 colon, and the value is TV, and the third key is 5 colon, and the value is DVD. Now we have to keep them into a variable for the further use. So I use here D as a variable. Now click on enter button. Now type the print command here, print, and inside the print constructor we have to pass the method here, len, and inside the constructor of the len method we have to pass the object from where we get the length or from where we get the key value numbers. So we get the number from the D variable. Now press enter. See the result here, the output is 3. Now the second method is get method. So see the code here. First line, dictionary is created as the example first. In second line, inside print constructor, variable, and then dot and method, and inside the method constructor we have to pass the key from which you want to get here. So if you want to get second value, so we have to pass the second key here, and if you want to get the third last one, so we have to pass the this key here, 5 here. So let's go into the Python shell. So now here the dictionary is already created as example. Now we have to just type the print command, print, and inside the print function first we have to give the name of variable in which the dictionary is stored, which is D, dot, and the method which is get here, get, and constructor here. So into the constructor we have to pass the key to get the value. So we want to get the value from this key 5 here, so type here 5 and press enter. Now see the result, the value is accessed from the last key, which is 5, with the help of get method. Now the next method is the items method, which is used to get the list of key value pair. Here D1 dictionary is created or defined, which have 2 key value pair. In the second line, inside the print method, pass the variable which is D1, and then the method name, items, and its constructor. So let's go into the Python shell to type this code. So first we have to create the dictionary D1 here. D1 is equal to, inside the curly braces we have to pass key value pair here, so which is 1, and the value is CD, comma, second key is 2 and the value is TV. Now press enter and type the print command, print. So from where we want to get the items, we want to get the item from dictionary, and dictionary is stored inside the variable D1. So we have to type the variable here, D1 dot items and its constructor. So this item method first get the items from the dictionary and works as a parameter and give it to parameter as a print method, and the print method get the value from this method and print it into the screen. So click onto the enter button and see the result here. All the values and the key are first created into the list format and shown into the screen. Next method is keys. So by using this method, we can access the list of keys from a dictionary. So here D1 dictionary is created as the previous example here, and in the second line inside the print constructor, the key method returns the list of keys from the dictionary D1 and assigned as a parameter for the print function here, and the print function printed it onto the screen. So let's go into the Python shell for type it this code. So here the dictionary is created as in the previous example. Now we have to just type the print code here, print, and inside print here we have to just pass the variable from which we want to get the keys. So we want to get access the keys from D1 variable. Now type the method keys and press enter. Now see the result. There are two keys in the dictionary D1, 1 and 2. First they created into the format of list and shown into the result. Next method is values method. So as same as a key method, it returns the list of values from a particular dictionary. So let's go into the Python shell. So here the D1 dictionary is created, so just type the print method here inside here. So type print. So from which variable we want to get the values, we get the values from the dictionary D1 dot type the method values and constructor and press enter and see the result. All the values of dictionary D1, which is CD and the TV, are first converted into the list format and printed onto the screen. Next method is update method. So by using this method, we can merge two dictionary or add the key value pair from one dictionary to another. So see the example here. Two dictionary are created, D1 and D2. D1 and D2 both have two key value pair. So in third line code, first we give the name of variable in which we want to make change, which is D1 here, or in which we want to make update, so which is D1 here, and after that provide dot, type the dot and update method, and inside the update constructor we have to pass the variable name of the another dictionary from which we want to make them update. So let's go into the Python shell here. So the D1 dictionary is created before. Now we have to create the D2 dictionary here. So how to create it? D2 is equal to, and between these two curly braces we have to pass the key value pair here. So the first key is 4 and the value is radio, and the second key is 3 colon and the value is DVD. Now we have to type the code for append them or from merge them. D1 dot, what we want to do it, we want to update this D1, update, and the dictionary name, we have to pass the dictionary name inside the update constructor from which we want to get the values, key values pair here. So we want to get the key values pair from the D2 dictionary. Now press enter and to show the result, print D1 here and see the result, value is updated here. The next method is the clear method. So by using this method we can able to clear the key value pair or the element inside the dictionary. So for the simple use, as in the example I given here code, so first we have to give the variable name of the dictionary and just type the name of the method after providing the dot between them.